Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಈಗಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರೋದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಜಾ ಶಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಜಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 2 ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವೇರ್ ಗೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. So these are some traditional earrings, kind of like gold dupe earrings. So these are blackish and some cute small earrings, and these are party wear earrings. I really like this one. This is so cool, and this one is really cute. So these are some jhumkas here, oxidized jhumkas. This is something which I've never seen. So look at this jhumka. So this is so unique. I've never seen this kind of jhumka. So you have in different colors. You can see this jhumka. You can see some more earrings, like hoop earrings. You get in all the varieties and all the colors. So let's just move on to these are some toys which I'm not going to show in detail. So this is so cute, and beer mugs, artificial beer mugs, and some siphons and bottles. It's written unicorn magic, and it is cute little bottle like you get in the Miniso. All the things you can get in here. Look how cute is this lamp. This is temperature bottle. This is temperature bottle, as you can see. This is temperature bottle. You tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see it will show the Celsius. So how much it is? 665. It's fixed rate. So this Brigade Plaza shop has discount on all the products, so you can check it out. So these are some siphons. You will get straw also, no? So we'll get straw for this. So this is priced for rupees 545. So we'll get A to Z back covers here. Back covers and also some accessories and tripods. So related to mobile session. So we'll get charger, adapter, and also pop sockets, and AirPods, AirPod cases also, and earphones, and so many things. This is so trending in Instagram because some stores are selling these kind of cups, hand cups. So I really wanted to get one for myself. So you will get the Gucci, Dior, Chanel, and a lot of other varieties in different color. For men, I think it's for men. You also get some lenses here. So you can see there are multiple choices of lens. And also these are some what are these lighters? Lighters. So these are the lighters. You can see the designs are so crazy, and like you can see the weird lighters here. And this is the perfume section. So this is the perfume section. You'll get all the varieties of perfumes, like it's mixed for both women and men, right? So this is perfume section for both men and women. You'll get for both. So as you have seen, there are a lot of things in this shop. So now I'm going to show you the cosmetics section. So it has everything like you imagine, and you get here. You get from the accessories to toys to cosmetics and western wears to and party wear. So this is the section filled with the cosmetics like highlighters, eyeshadow, deodorants, body mist, and some moisturizers and liquid highlighter, bullet lipstick, and lot of other things. So here comes the back section. The back section is also really huge. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾವೆಂಡರ್ ಕಲರ್. I'm going to mention all of the prices because I cannot, the shop owners are really busy, so I'm going to mention all of the prices. These are really cute furry kind of a bag. These are the shopper bags, really cute. You'll get in all these colors. And also these hats. What is the price for these hats? 180 rupees. As someone asked me in the commercial street video, I could not tell the price of this bucket hat. This bucket hat is for 180 rupees here in Brigade Road. So this is entire bag section and this is entire hat section, and also you'll get some belts. So this is some hats for men, and also we have some, this one I have got it for myself in the commercial street. So you'll get some varieties of belts. So this is an entire clothing section. You'll get dress to middies to skirt to pants to everything. So I'm going to just go through it. I'm just not going to dig in everything. You'll get party wear, swimsuit. So these are the party wear. I'm going to just dig in one by one. So this is the summer appropriate like modern dress. This is also party wear. So I'm going to show you one by one. So let me start with this leather skirt. What's the price? 800 rupees. So this leather skirt is for 800 rupees. Is there any discount on clothings? Discount is there. Okay. Some discounts are there. Also this is the leather shorts. So this is the leather shorts. Okay. This is the leather shorts. Same price? Okay. Do we have pockets here? No pockets. Okay. This is for same 800 rupees. Also we have school skirts, check skirts, and they have lining also inside. The quality is really good, I can say. The quality is really good. It's what material sir it is? It's either like cotton blend. It's like cotton blend. We have, there are so many colors here. So in that skirt we have so many options. We have so many colors. We get in this burgundy or brown color. It's just a plain official office wear skirt. 995 rupees. Okay, this one is 995 rupees. Whatever you get in here, you'll get some discount, don't worry. Thank you. So the party wear skirts are here. How much is this? You'll get zip also. 1400 rupees. Okay. So we also can get the denim skirt. So really cool. So this is the denim skirt. What is the price? 1595. It's written on here. 1595 rupees. So after discount, how much it will be? 1450 rupees. So there is no detailing at the back. This is velvety material, as you can see. So this color is beautiful. So you can call this as plaid skirt. That's what I think. And you can get in so many colors also. 1395. So all of these skirts are 1395.
1490.
This is 1490. 495. So the same you can get the blade. Oh, this material is also different, like little bit different. It's kind of a shining and rough material, but the flare is really good. You can see the flare. The flare is really good, and also they have some belts here attached to it. Looks really cool. You don't need to add any belts. They have given inbuilt. So this is a trouser. You can see the wide leg, or you can say fish cut pant. So this is wide leg. Why there is no pockets for all these pants? 1295. It's not focusing, but anyways, this is 1195. It also has pockets here, and this is skinny fit jeggings, you can say. But also this jegging has pockets on either side. You can get a lot of varieties of skirts even here, like tie-dye skirt, plazo. This is joggers. So this is kind of white and black plazo. So this is also cotton blend material, and you can see the name of the shop, Brigade Plaza. Oh, this one is gown. You can get party wear in all the varieties. In the oh, this is a party wear. You can wear it at the party, cocktail parties, or to the reception.
Fish cut type.
This is a fish cut. It gives you the nice curve to the body. It's like body hugging.
Body fit.
Body fit. And you can see this is a fish cut. Also, it has sleeves. It has sleeves, no sleeveless. It's a strappy dress. Also, it has some detailing here. If you are like wearing cleavage, like it shows that. It's really cool. How much is this? 5,900. But the material is really good. If you can get it online, you would get it for 10,000. Here it is just 5,000 rupees. Yeah, this kind of, I don't know what to call for this, but I can call it as a trouser, normal casual trouser. So you can get it in other different colors. So you get it in this color, the green and the blue, and yeah, only 3 colors you can. So nowadays the wide leg jeans are very much in trend. Okay, the material is denim and it's a wide leg. How much is this? 1,495. Okay, you'll get any kind of jeans here, any kind of pants here. You also can get the sizes, no sir, all the sizes, medium, small, 30, 40, 50. Also we have pockets. Some of the jeans will not have pockets. That's the reason I don't like some jeans. So you call it as paper bag jeans when it has elastic at the waist. You can get in different colors, and also you can get in so many varieties. Also you can get your size, perfect size. Is there any try on? You can have a try on. There is a trial room, so you can try and get it for yourself. How much is this?
Same 1,495.
1,495. It's a denim type. It's pure denim type. Also you can have the pockets at the back. Also elastic at the back. So there is no need of wearing your huge belts and making feel uncomfortable. So it's cool. This is for 999. This is really a good deal. 995. 995. Okay. Oh, this is long wide leg. If you're short like me, you have to trim it. You can get denim blend, or you can get in all the colors of denim. You can get off-white, washed blue, and you get tore pant, distressed pant, you can say. This is 995. You can get distressed here also. Like a royal bluish and greenish kind of sequence work dress, and also there is no sleeves attached to it. This is just a strappy dress. This is also 5,000 rupees. So this is the one color, and those are 2 colors, black and green. So as you can see in the western collection, they have middies to shorts to denim, shirt, t-shirts and everything. So this is same dress. Like you can get the fish cut and the same variety, like you can get the sequins, but you can get the sleeves. If you are not comfortable wearing the strappy, you can get this one. So if you're attending some party or function, I think this is the best option. Look at this is sequence, half sequence. You can say this side you can get the sequence, and you can get the velvet material, plain material on the other side. Oh, if you are like a party freak, I think you will love this dress. This is so good. All over sequence at the back also. This is full sequence dress. Also you can get this kind of, as I've shown you in this dress, the same way you will get the stones on both the hands. This is play suit. In the sequence itself, this is a play suit. You can see all over design. It's all over design. At the back also you can get the design. It's all over sequence. What is the price? 3,495 rupees, and it is so worth, because if you can get it online for this much sequence work, at least you'll get it for 5,000 rupees. Trust me, it's 5,000 rupees, but in the Brigade Plaza you get it just for rupees 4,395. So, oh, it's gown with also sleeves, like bell sleeves. You can get this kind of bell sleeves. It's kind of a different, it's not like ordinary bell sleeves. It has 2 steps of bell sleeves. Also this is all over sequence, and this is also some kind of body hugging at the bottom. So you have slit also here. 5,995. Okay, it's really good. Actually for your reception, wedding, you can wear this. It's really good. So ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋವಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವೇರ್ ಗೌನ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್ ರೈಟ್ now, so that you don't miss my next video. Also like this video if you like this video, and share it with 6,395. But the design and everything is worth for 6,395. It's great. This is jumpsuit sleeveless. This is all over golden sequence. So you can see this is a pant. It's a jumpsuit, and you can get sleeveless. There is no sleeves for this. How much is this, sir?
4,995.
4,995 rupees for this one.